welcome back to the channel. We've had a cracking day today and we have done quite a bit on this 2022 Bailey Autograph. So this coach-built motorhome has come all the way to us from Wales, a long way. So this chap has driven 4 hours, he said this morning, to get here, because it's now mid-January or nearly mid-January and the weather is not so great, a couple of more storms approaching with snow and whatnot. Luckily down here on the south coast we don't get affected too much, but they will be getting some snow in Wales. And I think this chap is waiting to go home, and it's now 4:20, so we're going to do the video and get this customer gone. So this vehicle has been into us for a set of our very, very popular steps. This particular vehicle's got self-leveling, so the steps and the bracketry allow for the passenger and driver to get in and up on the motorhome easily and effortlessly without having to step up so high. We've done loads of videos, they're cracking bits of kit and they work incredibly well. We've also fitted a set of the LED fog light style daytime running lights, or the DRLs as we call them, or as they're called. And these particular ones, when the ignition is on, their maximum brightness. When you put your side lights on, they then dim. And it's the same for the indicators as well, because law is now that you must dim when you're on side light, or newer cars now also dim if they're in the main headlights area as well. At the same time, we've done one of our FM and DAB antennas. So this FM and DAB antenna is body mounted, amplified, and combination of both. So whereas the factory antennas would have been in the wing mirror, this is now disconnected, and the old radio has been disconnected, and we have fitted this. And then all of that teamed up with the a new Pioneer, brand new, not new to us, but brand new to the customer, and it's the AVH-Z9200. It's the 7-inch display, motorized DVD, CD player, wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, FM, DAB, USB, all the mod cons, but no navigation because he's going to use his smartphone for navigation, apps and music as well. So join me inside, we'll have a quick look at the Pioneer, switch that on, show you that working. So steps, FM and DAB antenna, oh, forgot about it nearly, dynamic indicators. So we have removed the old stock clear lens with the orange lamp or orange bulb, and we have now fitted the stealth black dynamic indicators. So I'll just pop those on. Okay, they come in clear lens and they come in smoked lens. Smoked, the reason why this customer has picked smoked, well, you can see the front of the van, the doors, the wing mirrors and the casing are all black, so it matches in with the stealthy look of the van as well. So set of steps, set of dynamic wing mirror indicators, LED fog light DRLs, all teamed up with then the Pioneer 7-inch media system, which is one of their flagship models, with CD, DVD, wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, FM, DAB and high-res screen. So join me inside. With all of our installations, whether it be Alpine or Pioneer, because they're the only two brands that we concentrate on, we'll always endeavour to fit it with a really nice, neat fitting kit. This is no exception, with the fact that we've then gone gloss black We've also then allowed for the motorized screen to still work, because the majority of models aren't motorized, so that's caused a little bit of extra work today by having to just trim the top and bottom panels off, which I'll show you in a second. But it looks really nice. We've done steering wheel control to retain the buttons on the steering wheel. We've used a CAN bus interface, which is data to pick up the speed, pulse, and also the reverse gear. So we're just going to put that on now. Hopefully the screen's not too bright for the camera to struggle, but this is a great bit of kit. We fitted quite a few of these, and mostly we fitted these in motorhomes that have then got the drop-down DVD player system that then want to share the DVD on the main screen. So let's go out of here. It's gone straight into Apple CarPlay, which is connected to my phone. So you've got, again, all your mod cons. We can go into Google Maps, and there you've got then a nice way of being able to navigate using Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze, Cigic, whatever you want to do. If you're a motorhome user, you're probably going to use something like Cigic, which is the dedicated truck and motorhome system. Failing that, you've also got all your you've got your Spotify, you've got your BBC Sounds, you've got your radio stations and other such stuff. You've got WhatsApp, loads of other stuff on here. But if we go out of here, you've then got all of your other features and functions. So you've got FM and DAB, you've got your CD, your DVD. If I press this button here, this allows us to access the DVD player and the SD card. And let's just shut that down there. So when that shuts, depending on light and time of year, you can press this button, you can actually just tilt the screen a little bit to your liking. So we can just tap that. And that's it. And when you don't want it, it's all then nice and neat and flush. So steering wheel controls are done on here like so. You've got loads of settings on the Pioneer. Now, I'm going to put it into reverse. The picture's not very good, so hopefully Sammy's going to do some fantastic wizardry, and when I put it into reverse, you're not going to see this dirty image that we haven't yet had a chance to clean yet. And Sammy's going to go with his magic wand and a nice clean image will appear on here. If he hasn't, then this is what we're seeing at the moment, is 4 hours of dirt and winter grime on the roads, but in a minute that's going to be cleaned and it's going to look nice and neat and tidy. So that's it, job done. Steps, FM and DAB antenna, foglight DRLs, which you're going to see in a minute as we drive the vehicle out, and this beautiful Pioneer system. If you want any of the stuff that is featured on this video, please do get in touch with us. Website links in the bio. If you haven't subscribed or thinking of subscribing, do it now, and then you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Don't forget our sister company as well, Advanced in Car, and follow us on social media. Thank you for watching.